welcome sa panibagong segment ng ating video reviewer na about Prof. Ed 6. And inside the Prof. Ed 6, we have one particular topic which is what we call the Media Information and Literacy, or MIL, Understanding Communication from Media down to information and its literacy. So, what's inside the media and information literacy? Basically, dalawang word yan, which is media literacy at information literacy, which is later on we will going to find out what is the difference and what is the connection of those two words na yun. Kaya siya pinagsama. So, next slide tayo. Sabi dito, or una rin pag-uusapan, was all about its communication. Communication is very important when it comes to informations because you didn't know or you cannot know where the information gonna go find without a proper communication from itself. There's a lot of communication itself, and based on the explanation of the meaning of the communication here, it is the process of sharing information, ideas, and feelings. So from its word or from that word, which is the communication, the root of the communication is the sharing of the information. It can be sharing of ideas or sharing of feelings to one another. Communication to yourself can be happen, but most of the time communication might happen by two person interact with each other. Okay, from that we will going to have a different types of communication from its verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual forms. When we talk about verbal, it is a physical speaking towards to another person. When the other person speak to one another, that's another kind of communication, whereas it is called a verbal communication. Other than that, we have a non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication uses such as sign languages or even a not using your voice just to keep your informations going to one person to another person. And from nonverbal communication, it might happen also into a single person or a dual person who had a communication towards itself. Another form of communication, we have a written communication, which is it is basically written or write in a piece of paper, in a piece of sheet, in a piece of even in digital, it can be a form of communication. Other than that, we also have a visual forms of communication, whereas it is use our sense of sight in order to communicate to one another. Best example of the visual form of communication was the traffic light, traffic signal, some of the signs that can be found in the street. It can be source of an communication that the meaning of that sign should be prohibited or should be done by the person itself. Therefore, the communication has been done or rely to the another person from its thing. Okay, what is the purpose of the communication? We had lots of purposes. First of all was to inform not only individual but a group of people, to persuade so that the communication will become more effectively and we would going to start to understand or to do what they said. Okay, and another form is to or another purpose is to entertain, where the communication can be source of entertainment such as in our televisions and many more. And also communication is an express, a purpose of express, where they express their own feelings, ideas, and their informations toward to another person to create what we call communication itself. So based on the slide, it has or we have in today's communication, we have a 10 ways to communicate. First of all was what we called in the social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Yes, even in posting in that specific social media. Second of all was the status, the one that you have been put in a different social media platform so that they would know what you are feeling, to express your own feeling rather. Next is the Facebook Messenger, where is you are allowed to talked in the message way or in the chat way so that the information can be relied from one person to another person. The fourth was that the email. Email is one of the purpose for such as professional way of talking to the another person. It's included the uses from its company, from the schools, administrations, and staffing. Sometimes they are using some emails in order to communicate one person to another person, but in a professional level. The next was the text messages where some of our, I think that's an old generation that they are going to rely on. Yeah, they're going to rely on the text messages where they need to communicate through the use of their phones, through using their message in their own um, application in the phone. Next was the IMs, or such as visual representation in order to communicate that object to the other person. Okay. Next was the letter, was such as a traditional way of communication passed before on how they get the information from a longest time until it will generate a future innovation, whereas the letter can be sent right away. Okay, next was the phone. We can call, we can talk. Yes, using our phone, we are having a communication from one person to another person. Next is the video chat, which is embedded inside the social media platforms such as Messenger, such as Instagram, and many more. And the last was the talking. This is the basic way of communication, where is a two persons is relying from one information toward to another information to share their own knowledge, ideas, and even their feelings itself. So that is the 10 ways on communicating in today's communication, in today's generation. So what are the types of communication have been said earlier? We have four types of communication, where is verbal, that is done or can be done by face to face, phone call, or even a video call. And the next was the nonverbal, can be used as in body language, gesture, and even your tone. The next was the written communication, whereas it is used as letters, emails, books, and even digital text. And the other hand, the last types of communication was the visual, where they uses images, graphs, charts, videos, and logos. There are the types of communication that were oftenly seen from one person to another person, or even in an object to another person. Okay?